Hey guys, welcome to our Minecraft video again. This is Victory Valkyrie and my original skin is this. It's so beautiful. You will love this. And this is my cousin.
Yo, you can't see me. It's a screen recorder. There's no face
Say
cam.
your name. Say your name.
Well, I don't know.
Yeah, he's a YouTuber. He don't know his name. How dumb. And I'm trying to start my first episode of my survival.
Are you sure you're gonna save it? Because it's gonna be laggy.
Yes, I'm gonna save it. Just kinda wait a little bit. My phone is too long to open its map because of my cousin.
You know what? I'm making more videos.
Yes, make more videos for your fans, and I have my own fans.
Or not. Change my life. My mind. It's going to be pretty laggy. I'm just gonna play anime.
Yeah, foolish. It's gonna be lag, yeah, but who cares about lag?
I do.
Okay. I'm just gonna open the door, open, close, and start. Kind of bad, kind of laggy, and I'm mining at the day, not at the night. Because you know what they say, don't mine at night. Kind of deep. I'm kind of
Speaking of don't mine at night.
I'm getting more finding stuff. Finding more coal, finding more iron, and finding more herobrine. Because I just found herobrine last night.
No.
I did. Don't be rude. Oh. How dare you in my video? Sorry guys. My cousin's too fashionable about songs.
Whoever's watching this, do you know these?
Sorry. My
Pretty red song.
yeah, who cares? Stop doing the song on my vid.
Oh yeah? Then I'll make much worse.
Oh yeah, I'm in survival. I forgot.
Yo, yo, yo! It's your child, Purple Chef.
Holy shoot.
Y'all better watch your step.
My favorite song in the world. Fool.
Don't call your viewers fool.
I'm not talking to my viewers. I'm talking to my cousin. Time to go to creative. And we will do...
Wait, are you a hacker? You just said you were gonna go to creative.
Game mode, fool! Slash game mode! In your face!
I know.
TNT versus Anvil. I'm gonna ask why. Because we love Anvil. We want them to be destroyed. How to change the date on day?
Don't know.
Foolish. Settings. Always day, always day. We love daytime because there's no mobs, there's no mobs. And be happy to be happy because you're sad, fool.
gangster.
Yes, that's my cousin.
No, it's not. It's Pink Sheep.
Yeah, he's my cousin too. He's one of my cousins.
And we can prove it.
Yeah. And we will start the video now. Anvil versus Pink Sheep.
Purple shit is ugly.
Don't say that to mommy. Don't say it to your son, fool. It has to be Anvil.
You're a hater.
Okay, cousin. What do you want? The Anvil will be destroyed or not?
I want it to be destroyed.
That's our dog. Poor dog. Is it gonna work and my house will be destroyed? Good. The Andrew is...
Homie Dolphin is here.
He's not here.
Yes, he is.
Oh, the Andrew is not destroyed. Fool! So I win. Give me the diamond. Give me the diamond. Give me that diamond. Thank you people for this video about this. Thank you and subscribe. Stop.
Don't know. You just quit your app and then press this little thing.